What's up, guys? Today, I'm just trying to get back into streaming as we're heading towards Christmas. And I want to introduce you guys to my new training partner, Rex. Say hi, Rex. He is 14 weeks old. He's a good boy. On. So he's going to be in the videos a lot. And he's always down here trying to be a little monster. He's still a puppy, so he's still nibbling a lot, but no biting. He's learning so fast, and he is such a good boy. So can you smile for the camera, bud? He's getting so big, it's crazy. He's still a lap dog, but he's growing so much every day. Look at him. Look at him. Good boy. That's the Mike, yeah. Got something to say? Good boy. Oh, he just wants to be pet right now. What? Yeah, you're distracting, bud. You're distracting. I know. I need a floor cam. Wow, boy. So that is what's going on. We're gonna be just trading and watching the market in the future. But I just wanted to get on here, introduce Rex, and really kind of test everything out, make sure everything was working properly, which it wasn't. So I'm glad I did as much as I did. And this is also the new background. Yes, I'm in the middle of the forest, and there's cactuses and evergreen trees. But here's the charts from today. Took one trade. I've only traded a couple times in the last couple weeks, but it's going good. So I feel like I need to turn the mic up just a little bit. Let me see. Oh, the echo. Hold on. Oh, okay. I think I know why it's echoing. I'm being an idiot. All right. I had two mics going on. I think that might be better. Hold on. Bear with me. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Katie. All right. I think it sounds better now. We'll see. All right. Echo test. Is it sounding better? I'll know in 2 seconds. All right. Thank you. Yeah, I had two mics going. Oh, thank goodness. So yeah, anyways. Anyways, I'm not sure how many people this will even be pushed out to, but thanks to everyone that's gonna see it. And I know it doesn't even have a thumbnail, so it's a little random, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do to get it started. But the market hit all-time highs today. I want to share that with you guys. And like I was saying, I did take a couple trades. First time I've traded in weeks because I've just been busy with other work. But yeah, green again today. Just another small trade. Locked it in at 11, out at 14, as you can see right there. So happy to lock it in, growing a small account. This is basically another $20 challenge, but I didn't make it official or start it. But I probably will do something again like that soon. Because I have been re-uploading old videos because of the disclaimer. Don't want to get into all that, but they just don't do as well with a re-upload. And plus they're, some of the, it's just confusing for people that are new sometimes because they see the market and they're like, wait a second. Even though, I say it's a re-upload, it doesn't matter. It would be nice to, just run another one back. So maybe a 20, 25, maybe a $26 challenge for the new year. Something like that is just kind of fun. But yeah, market hitting new all-time highs, 689.25, and I got in at 1236. So let's look at the 1 minute chart. And we'll see how this looks. So in at 1236, which would be, I guess, 1036 my time. So in right. Let's just draw the arrows for old time's sake. Rex is somehow he's distracted enough right now, so he just went potty, so I think we're good. But you never know. Wait a second. I meant to go to the 1 minute chart. 10:36 is when I got in, and I held it for about an hour and 10 minutes. So in right here, once it looked like support was building, do it just like old times. Bam, lock it in. And I'll probably be doing a lot more just live trading, just so you guys can see in real time. And I'll just save the videos and just kind of recap them, maybe voice over them, or maybe just clip them and put them out that way, so you guys can see the challenges if you're not there for live. So I got in at 10:36, out at 11:45 my time. So I rode this wave, and once I saw the momentum was kind of slowing down, I decided to get out. Actually, I need to readjust this. And I saw momentum was slowing down quite a bit, so I was like, I'm just gonna lock in my profits here. No need to hold it and hope that the market explodes, because likely that's not gonna happen. There's a greater chance that we kind of keep slowly creeping up after the news being pretty good. 25-point cut, but it wasn't like super bullish because of the jobs market and whatnot. So the market is kind of just steadily grinding up, I'd say, right now. Creeping on new highs, but I won't be surprised if we see 700 next week, maybe before Christmas, maybe not, but I do think we'll hit it this year. So that's gonna be pretty crazy. So I got out right here at 11:45. So pretty good trade. You can see as I zoom out what it kind of looks like. And what I was looking for, again, was the support to build. I saw that it bounced here previously, went back up, hit resistance where the previous line of resistance was. It's not exact, but it's always very close. And then I saw it pull back here, build support at a higher level, and then I got in. And that was pretty much that. And it was a 1 day till expire, so I didn't have to be, it gave me a little bit more wiggle room and allowed me to be more patient and let it play out, because otherwise I probably would have cut losses right here. I think I was down 20%, just a little bit, but we were still on the uptrend, so I decided to stick with it, and I'm glad I did, because it worked out well. So that's how that play worked out, and I think it was like 12% on the day. Nothing crazy, but when you have a small account, that adds up quick. Like I said, I am re-uploading that $8 challenge, and that one went from 8 to 100, just slowly building it, which is over 1,000% profit. So you just gotta be patient with it. And 12:24 right now, so market is not doing a whole lot, and I don't think I'm gonna make another trade. I was contemplating it, but I don't know if I will. Let's see. It's just not doing anything, and there's no need to chase and turn a green day into a red day or break even. Let's just look at the overall market. I feel like I need some music or something. It's quiet. Very quiet. Make sure the audio is still good. Okay. Alright. Audio sounds good. Rex is pretty chill. I don't know if it's because I'm talking, kind of behaving, and I'm not looking at him. He's just minding his own business. Look at this penny stock. Let's just take a look-see at this. Dang. Alright, so wasn't a split. What happened? I don't know anything about the stock. ATPC Agape Corp. It's not looking good though. Was $1 something, down to 4 cents. I don't even want to look at that. Pets. Pets is squeezing. Rex is getting his blanket tag. Pets is squeezing up 77% on the day. And the other one I was watching, you guys might have noticed on the other live chart, was Meiji, Mawson Infrastructure Group. No options. And what was going on with them? they've been squeezing for a couple days now. So what do they even do? I don't know. Let's take a look. Digital infrastructure company. The company develops and operates digital infrastructure platforms for enterprise customers. Its digital infrastructure platforms can be used to operate computing resources for apps and are often offered across artificial intelligence. Yada yada. What isn't these days? So I think this one's probably done before though. It hit 15. When I pulled it up this morning, it was around 8. Yesterday I pulled it up, before this big squeeze too. So by the looks at it, and historically speaking with penny stocks, this is probably done for now. I would expect it to at least sell off probably down here, but you never know. Absolutely never know. Sometimes they keep going. Most of the time they don't. Sometimes they do. So let's look at some of these other big ones. Planet Labs. I've had this in my watch list for a while. And it looks like it just broke out, man. That is a nice breakout. What's going on here? I haven't been trading stock. Well, I told you guys I haven't made any trades recently, but I haven't traded stocks much at all. So I've mostly been just trading options and then holding long-term stuff. But little stuff like this or penny stocks, I haven't really been trading much. From Apollo to SpaceX. So sorry, I keep doing that. Provider of digital satellite imagery and geospatial solutions, designs, builds, operates the Earth observation fleet of imaging satellites. Wow. Okay, so what just happened? I don't need it to open up another window. Price target raised to $20 a share from 17. Looking for anything significant here. Raised to 22 from 16. So it looks like a bunch of analysts has raised their prices 17 to 20. Well, that'll do it. Honestly, that's all it really takes. And who knows that's how much manipulation is truly involved in that. All those positive stories and everything coming out at once. All these guys, probably being positioned for a strong move to the upside. Release a couple articles, wham bam. Next thing you know, those hedge funds are up thousands of percentage on their positions. Well, bud, destructive little fella, I tell ya. So, looking at the options chains on here, though, I mean, look for anything unusual. I mean, 2000 on 15. Let's see. Maybe a month out, the 20s. 1200. All these, though. 11,000, 2, 3, 5. And then a week out, not as much. So a month out, those guys really made some bank today. 100, 200, let's see. 205% on this one today. All right. Well, let's go back to the market. Take a look here. I'm gonna wrap it up pretty soon. Again, I just wanted to introduce Rex. Rex, come. Come here, bud. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Rex, come. Come. looking at me like, what I do? What I do? You say hi to the camera, bud. Nope. Just chilling. Do you know how big you're getting, man? Do you know how big you're getting? Hmm? It's insane. Your growth is insane, bud. How do you do it? You've like tripled in size in just a few weeks. Tripled. Alright. Say bye. Say bye. Sweet guy. Sweet guy. Good boy. Oh, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, now you want back up, huh? Alright. Well, I'm gonna log off. Quick stream. I know it's unplanned. Pretty impromptu. But I'm gonna start doing more streams. Even before my channel gets remonetized. I'm just trying to get that ball rolling. And just kind of get back into the habit. Get used to it. And yeah, of course, lots more content to come. Thank you guys all so much for the support. And I appreciate all of you guys. Link for Discord is down below if you want somewhere to hang out with some like-minded people. Whether you want to talk stocks, gaming, pets, there's lots of channels, that people like to talk in. Doesn't all have to be stock, so. And that, reminds me, I am trying to diversify my channel so I don't have to worry so much about solely making trading content, but we'll see how that goes. I don't want to do a separate channel for all that, but I will if I have to. So it's kind of, where I'm at with that. Yeah. So again, thank you guys all so much for the support. Rex, come here. Hi, buddy. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Can you speak? Can you speak? Oh. Okay. Well, he's not trying to. Again, thank you guys so much. Hope you're staying happy and healthy, and I'll see you soon.